Like, ride with me if you ride with me, you can slide with me if you feel like 550 on the 5 sticky, come get high with me, that's a deal, right? Ride with me if you ride with me, you can slide with me if you feel like 550 on the 5.
What's up, y'all? Okay, so look, I'm curling this hair today, and I'm gonna cut it too. So since I got a new flat iron or whatever, I know I'm late as a beat, but I got the Nano Tech. And it's titanium. It's white as fuck. What was I saying? Oh, I can flat iron one side of my head at a time. And the best part is, it was $150. No, but listen. Oh, I was in need of this. I really was. Not gonna lie, my Amazon flat iron, it's still bomb. It's still bomb. Don't get me wrong. But I just felt like I do a lot on my hair. I need some of this, that new shit. I'm late. I know I'm late. Please don't. Boom. So this like when I'm back in the day flat irons, like, who would think people be buying things like this? I don't know. I need to blow down my hair real quick to make it straighter. Yeah. I need a new blow dryer too. So like, I need like the hottest fucking blow dryer. If y'all know one, let me know. But until then, I'm gonna use this one. And this from Amazon. I mean, it worked. But like, honestly, I don't know what I was thinking when I bought the like 360 comb joint. Because when I blow dry it, it curls it out. So then I gotta do too much manipulation. I'm gonna find me one. Cause I mean, we already spent $150 on this. 200, 300, but back. Blow dry my hair real quick. I'll be right back. You gotta do some layers, some hard layers. Talking about hardcore. Okay, 300. Let's just do 450. This raw hair, but Jesus, like y'all just turned it on. The fuck? We're gonna turn it off since you wanna be all fast. Heat up instantaneously.
Boy, you had me from the start. By the way you stared, the way you wrote upon me, yeah. Man, I felt your energy. Wasn't used to being loved and treated differently, yeah. But something went wrong, the signals got crossed, and now we're on completely different pages. Let's go where we were, where no one gets hurt. Baby, keep it right there, don't you stress the flow. You're trying to pick the pace up, we should take it slow. Baby, keep your focus, don't you make me change my mind. If you love me, baby, don't you switch up the vibe. Baby, don't you, baby, don't you, baby, don't you switch up the vibe. Baby, don't you, baby, don't you, baby, don't you switch up the vibe. Boy, you take me on a trip, always up and down and back and forth in merry-go-round. I just wanna get it right, but when you go left, I'm stuck here feeling left behind. Cause something went wrong, the signals got crossed, and now we're going different love me just like you say you do. Don't kill the good vibes. If you kill them, you're gonna kill us too. Baby, keep it right there, don't you stress the flow. You're trying to pick the pace up, we should take it slow. Baby, keep your focus, don't you make me change my mind. If you love me, baby, don't you switch up the vibe. Baby, don't you, baby, don't you, baby, don't you switch up the vibe. Baby, don't you, baby, don't you, baby, don't you switch up the vibe.
I don't have to party to have fun, you see. I got different hobbies, and that's all I need. Some say life is boring, but I disagree. I wake up and live my dream. Someday soon, I'm gonna make it. Yeah, all hard work's gonna be worth it. Ooh, everyone who didn't believe it, they don't know worth it. I'm gonna try, gonna try, gonna try. Work till I die, till I die, till I die. I'm gonna fail and get up, 'cause I'm not giving up on my dream. I'm gonna cry, gonna cry, gonna cry. Chasing the highs, yeah, the highs, yeah, the highs. I'm gonna fail and get up, 'cause I'm not.
I'm about to put a little bit of Moroccan argan oil. Let's do this, girl. Oh, honey, we can take big chunks now. We got the big boy. Big bitch. This ain't even big. I don't know who I thought I was fooling. Hold on, hold on, hold on. Hold on, hold on, hold on. Uh-oh. I'm confused. How did I curl away from my face? And the curl looks like this. Okay, we're gonna leave her for now.
That's just wasting time. I'd rather be spending it on working out. Some say I'm too uptight, but I disagree. I wake up and live my dream. Someday soon, I'm gonna make it. Yeah, all hard work's gonna be worth it. Ooh, everyone who didn't believe it, they don't know worth it. I'm gonna try, gonna try, gonna try. Work till I die, till I die, till I die. I'm gonna fail and get up, 'cause I'm
Okay. She is cute. No lie, this flat iron is no joke, y'all. No joke. Not to be played with. Oh, it's hot. I'm gonna do this side off camera, y'all, just so this video not too long. My hair is done. It is so soft. Say, look at the curls though. This side kind of fell, but like, look at me. This looks so good. So good. So good, so good, so good. Yes, I love this. I don't know how the back looking, but like, bro, what? This hole is no joke. I mean, like, this is no joke. If you want a bomb ass flat iron, I'm telling you. Let me know what y'all think. See y'all in the next video.